right, we are back with the Maine Renovation Show. Chris Davis of Places in Maine and Real Broker here at 7 Farnsworth in Lisbon. So let's take it back to see where we came from on day 1 and 2. But I always wonder, what did it look like before? Well, in this case, we have the pictures, but check this out. Ton of old wood. This house was built in the basement right there. I don't even go in the basement until at least day 43 when I know nothing has been living down there. Wow, so as you can see, just from this outside look, a ton of work has already been done in the last 7 days. This crew is working through the heat, through the rain. They are on a tight deadline to get this done in 45 days. Now, as a reminder, this house was disgusting. Let's look at those pictures again. Ah, gross. And this place is already looking so much better. I'm gonna take you inside. Just gonna take a quick moment here to talk with Rick Brissette of Brissette Plumbing. He's been working with Bez for a while, and he's making sure all of this work is done right, done quickly, and done to code.
I'm Rick Brissette, Brissette's Plumbing Services. I've been working for Bez for about 5 years. He likes to turn over houses quickly and efficiently, so yeah, we come in and we knock it out, do what we gotta do.
What is the hardest thing about plumbing?
Fitting in tight spaces.
What's one thing you love about working on old houses?
Just to see the start and finish, see where it starts from and where it goes. And yeah, I mean, really, it's pretty amazing process. So
nice. Do you think you'll be able to get this done on Bez's timeline?
Oh, absolutely.
How hot is it?
It is hot today.
Yeah, absolutely. Lastly, in your career, what have been some of the biggest changes you've seen with the plumbing industry?
Oh, code.
Yeah.
But no, there's been a lot of updates and just different products that's come available, and you know, it's always exciting to see the changes in the industry. So yeah, I mean, it's been a lot of the same but different.
Tell us about the plumbing in the house.
Yeah, this will have two bathrooms. So we have a 3/4 bath with a stand-up shower, lav toilet, and you got a full bathroom with a bathtub, and you got a laundry built in. You know, and then you have a kitchen, a couple hose bins in the back, hot and cold. It's gonna be a pretty nice place.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
No
Work
problem.
looks great. So I'm up here on the 2nd floor. This will be the primary bedroom with the ensuite bath. And just literally in 10 days, it's amazing how much this place starts to transform. Obviously, we start to see a lot more new 2x4s coming in to support the older frame. We have siding going out, we have brand new windows, and all the electrical has been roughed in. Actually, the electric utility comes tomorrow to provide service to the place. But this is the part of the process I find where, you know, when we first show up, we say, if these walls could talk. Now we say, this is when the walls start to create. So you really start to feel the home take shape, and it's really exciting. But man, they got a lot of work to do. All right, I know I said in the first episode I wouldn't go in the basement until day 43, but they've already done so much work down there. I want to take you down because it looks so good. So oftentimes when we're showing houses, people say, the basement is so scary, but look, you have newly supported stringers. You have all these new pressure treated columns that are providing all the additional support that this house needs. You have brand new plumbing for the waste. And there's even more coming to this basement in the coming weeks. I can't wait to show you. All right, not scary at all. This basement is gonna be extra special when it's done. Stay tuned for more. Now, when I say Bez and Allie don't just do a standard flip, they do much more of a renovation, a home renovation. It's because they do things like this. That is the start of an incredible farmer's porch. I think it's gonna make people go goo-goo for this house. So that's gonna take probably another 15 days for them to complete. And once that is done, it is gonna look so special. All right, well, here we have it. Day 3 through 10, Maine Renovation. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible reno going on in Lisbon. And folks, as we know, I can't not taste the berries. These blackberries are even better because they are much more ripe than last time I was here. Yeah, they come with the house. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. We'll be back next week. One thing I haven't got across on video yet is it's like 90 degrees today, and Bez and Allie have their whole crew here. They are working hard, they are committed, and they are getting it done right, and so far on time. But we know day 10 through 45 are the crucial ones where we need all the light fixtures to show up on time, we need all the sheetrock to be done on time, and the painters to show up on time. This is a massive puzzle to get done. I don't know, guys, we'll have to wait and see. Thanks again. All right, so we have this beautiful siding. Oh, there he is. Hey, Bez, how's it going?
Good. Everything's going great. Things are moving along.
Awesome.